Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan, say Yuki ni. This time, I'm going to introduce New Year's culture in Japan. Okay. Oh, konnichiwa. Hello. I'm going to explain the culture around New Year. So from Christmas to New Year, the culture is so different. Like after Halloween, Christmas starts from around December. It was very shocking thing that Christmas starts from September in the Philippines. It's already hot in the Philippines, and Christmas lasts for half of a year. Grabe oi. And Christmas isn't for family in Japan. Actually, Christmas is for couples. So many people go out for dating. So having Christmas alone is so lonely in Japan. So many people look for a lover to spend a good time in Christmas. So spending alone in Christmas is kuribocchi in Japanese. Kuribocchi. Kuri is from Christmas and bocchi is alone, lonely. So Christmas is not for family. Actually, some people spend time with the family, but many people go out. And before Christmas, around December, it's easy to get lovers. Christmas Eve is the most crowded day. And after that, in 25th December, it's already gone. Christmas cake doesn't be sold and half of price already in supermarket or street shop. That's Christmas in Japan. And there's no Christmas party in Japan. In the Philippines, I know many companies do Christmas party, companies and school, but that's not common in Japan. Christmas is private thing. Few companies or school would do that, but that's not common. And after 25th December, Christmas goes away. And atmosphere, mood changes suddenly. That's not Christmas anymore. And it's the 29th December, no Christmas anymore in Japan. Also, there was so surprising thing in the Philippines. When I go to the Philippines, that was New Year. That was already January. And staff members in the Philippines wearing triangle hats for Christmas. And I just asked a staff member, why are you wearing the cap? And then she answered,
because it's Christmas.
No, I'm not asking about it. Okay, next. Yeah, from 26th December in Japan, Christmas mood goes away suddenly and it changes and it prepares for New Year. And people say, Yoi otoshi o. Yoi otoshi o. That means have a great New Year. Yoi, good, or mayon, or magandang. Yoi otoshi o. And after the end of year, to spend across the year. In Japanese eat toshikoshi soba. That's kind of noodles like this. Soba noodles. This is soba noodles and many ingredients or toppings. This is the same culture with the Philippines. Noodles is good for long life. In the Philippines, eating pancit is lucky because that's long. That implies long life. And Japanese prepare for kagami mochi, that's mochi, like this. This is kagami mochi, sticky rice. Just prepare it anywhere where want to welcome God. Kagami mochi. Kagami means mirror. Kagami mochi, mirror. So that's from Shrine's mirror. Shrine's mirror is round, so the mochi is round. There are two sticky rices, and that means yin, yang, shadow and light. That's from Shinto religion, Japanese traditional religion. That's like old religion in the Philippines. Praying for everything: storm, the sun, wind, mountain, ancestors, everything. So many people goes back to their hometown and many family gather, many relatives gather like this. But that's up to people. Some people don't gather. Also many sake, rice wine, and shochu. Shochu is like Japanese vodka. It's very popular in New Year's. Sake, like this, bottled sake. Also New Year's meal is osechi. That's called osechi. 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 Osechi is very colorful. Like this, many food in the containers and New Year's soup. Ozoni. Ozoni is like this. In Kansai area, the middle Japan has white miso soup. White miso based ozoni soup. Ozoni. Ozoni. Ozoni means crowded soup. Crowded boiled in literal. And the soup is very different, depends on region. This is red miso base, sometimes robusta. Robusta depends on place or region. Also, there's this is same culture with the Philippines. Otoshidama, money gift culture includes cash, yes, sanao, from elder person to younger person, like parents to child or elder brother to younger brother. And the people go to shrines or temples to pray for good things, to pray for luck. Many people go to temples or shrines to pray anything, just pray health or to be good couple. And when people pray for it, people donate in a donation box. This is osaisen bako, donation box. Like few amount cash. This is coins. This is Japanese culture. New Year's culture in Japan. And every year I visit to a temple. As long as I'm in Japan, I visit to a temple, same temple, and pray for my wants. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to access my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat sa pagtanaw sa akong live. See you next time. Peace me yawa. Bye bye. I'm not sure about Tagalog. I only know some greetings. Magandang hapon and magandang hapon. Huh? Charot. Asan ang PHK Yuki-san? That's far. PHK is far. Hi, Papa Yuki. I'm not your papa. Nani? Hi, Papa Yuki. Do you want to be adopted? Hi, can you say put... Oh, stop it. Stop it. I can't say that. What's bonak? Don't tell me bad words, please. I'm so pure. I'm so honest. Do you understand English? I'm talking in English now. Yuki pisot. Pisot, oi! Pisot ikaw!